I'm Jamey Green. I am a roofing pro. I'm an estimator and evaluator. I actually go out to the customer's home. I do a thorough investigation of the roof to see if they need a replacement, rejuvenation, cleanings, or repairs or anything of the sort. And we actually allow folks to see what's going on the roofs because we actually physically show them what issues or concerns they might have and how we can best help them with their scenario, whether it be rejuvenation, cleanings, or a full new roof. I wish they could see the time and effort we put into the evaluations and understanding what we can do for the customer. Some people, they just kind of get to the point where they might see a dollar sign, but we're doing more than that because we're giving them options that can best benefit them and their family. I want our reputation to be that we are the company that is going to do best by the customer and for the customer, and we're going to guarantee them that our services are going to either extend the life of the roof or they're going to have a roof they're not going to have to worry about for 30 years. We're going to do everything in our power to get you the best quality service, and we're going to keep our end of the bargain with our warranties and guarantees. Not every roof needs to be replaced, and I think some folks don't understand that. And with our rejuvenation process, we can give you an additional 15 years of life roof with that product and service, and we do offer the best quality of the roof build.